What else you got, sir?
This is the wonderful soursop.
Soursop. We know about that too.
Yes. So the soursop is used, the leaves, the bark, and the fruit.
Everything.
Everything.
Yeah.
The fruit makes an excellent drink, and the leaf and the bark makes a wonderful tea. So this is what you drink when you're having problems sleeping, want to relax. Yes, very good for the nervous system.
Awesome.
That's what the soursop is.
That's the soursop. Soursop.
Very, very relaxing drink.
Yes, good. And just to add, Mr. Broderick, that there's a lot of talk about soursop anti-cancer properties as well, especially these days. Powerful, and research is still going on, but our foreparents knew that. They were, you know, they didn't know some of what we don't know now, but they know that it works for them in their own way back then, you know. And soursop definitely had to be in the top 60, guys.